This is why, if you ever hear this sound, you're in danger. Now you may have thought that this sound came from a bird, but if you said mountain lion, you would be correct. Because mountain lions often make bird-like noises, and typically it's because they're calling for their cubs, which is why if you hear it, you need to leave. Because they are very protective of their cubs. And in this next clip, you'll see as a man desperately climbs a tree once he hears this terrifying sound in the wild.
Wow.